Another modification of the Spaceship interface from Project 02 of the Arduino Projects book. The improvement here is that I don't need to keep the switch or button pressed while in red alert and release it to go back to green alert. I press the switch and it toggles then every time I press it between alerts. That's the improvement here. And then here we are. Green alert is the current level right now. Red alert, going to red alert, Captain. There you go, alert level is red, shields are up. Green alert, going to alert level green, Captain. Alert level is green, it's no longer red. Shields are down, I don't have to keep the button or switch pressed. You can find the sketch, i.e. the code used here, in the comments below. Enjoy!